Okay, I've got a question for you that's going to mess with your head a little. It's one of the biggest, weirdest ideas in all of physics, and it might just change the way you see, well, everything. So just think about this for a second. Is it possible that at this very moment, you are being born, you are living through every day of your life, and you are on your deathbed all at the same time? It sounds completely nuts, right? But what if I told you that according to some of our best theories of the universe, the answer could actually be yes? You know, most of us think about time like it's a movie. The past is gone, the future hasn't happened yet, and only this single, fleeting moment, the present, is actually real. But what if that's all wrong? What if the universe is less like a movie and more like a stack of drawings for an animation? Every single moment, from the Big Bang to the end of time, already exists, all stacked up together. Yeah, there's a name for this wild idea. It's called the block universe, and it totally flips our whole concept of time on its head. In this view, time doesn't flow. Instead, everything that has ever happened and everything that ever will happen is just there. It's all part of a giant four-dimensional block of space-time. Your first birthday is just as real as this very moment. And here's the thing that's really gonna bake your noodle. This isn't just some wacky philosophical thought. Nope. This whole block universe idea is a very real possibility that comes directly from the work of Albert Einstein himself, from his theory of relativity. So how on earth does relativity get us here? Well, let's do this super quick version. First, Einstein showed us that space and time are not separate things. They're woven together into a single fabric called spacetime. Second, how you move through space changes how you experience time. But here's the real kicker. This all means that there's no single universal now that everyone in the cosmos agrees on. I know. Different nows sounds totally bizarre. What does that even mean? To make sense of it, let's run a little thought experiment. Don't worry, it involves aliens. Okay, picture alien number one. It's just hanging out in its spaceship, not really moving compared to us here on Earth. Because you're both pretty much stationary relative to each other, you share the same now. You're on the same page in the same moment in time. Easy enough. But now for alien number two. This one is zipping away from Earth at incredible speed. According to relativity, because of that motion, its slice of now is tilted compared to ours. For this alien, its present moment, its now, on Earth is our year 1924. I'm serious, for them, your great-grandparents are alive and well right now. And it gets even stranger with alien number three, which is flying towards us. Its now is tilted the other way. From its perspective, the present moment on Earth is the year 2124. That means for this alien, your future descendants are living their lives as we speak. This leaves us with a huge, gaping paradox, right? We have our now, we have an alien's now that's deep in our past, and another alien now that's a century into our future. So which one is the real one? Which now is actually correct? And this is where relativity just drops the mic. The answer is, all of them are correct. There is no single true now. This is a principle sometimes called cosmic democracy. Basically, the laws of physics don't play favorites. Every observer's point of view is just as valid as anyone else's. And if a now in our past and a now in our future are just as real as ours, well, it means the past, present, and future must all exist, right now. So what does this actually mean for us, for our lives? Well, if everything coexists, then time isn't a river carrying us along. It's a frozen lake. Your life isn't a story that's being written. The book's already finished and sitting on the shelf. This quote really nails it. The universe doesn't happen, it just is. And the implications of that are just staggering. Think about free will. That decision you made about what to eat for breakfast this morning, that big life-altering choice you're agonizing over, in a block universe, those aren't really choices at all. That feeling of deciding is just an illusion. You're simply experiencing a moment that was already there, etched into space-time forever. Okay, so just as you're about to have a full-blown existential crisis, don't worry, physics throws us a major curveball, a huge one in fact, and its name is quantum mechanics. See, quantum mechanics describes a universe that's totally different. At its deepest level, it says reality is fundamentally random and uncertain. For example, we can calculate the odds that a radioactive particle will decay, but we can never predict the exact moment it's going to happen. And it's not because our equipment isn't good enough, it's because the universe itself literally hasn't decided yet. And if the universe has true randomness baked into it, well, then the future can't possibly be set in stone. So, what gives? Relativity says the future is fixed, but quantum mechanics says it's wide open. One popular idea that tries to bring them together is called the growing block universe. Think of it this way. The past is fixed. It happened. It's a solid, unchangeable block. The present is the very edge of that block, where all those fuzzy quantum possibilities are forced to become a definite reality. And the future? That's a sea of pure potential, truly unwritten. So let's just recap this wild journey we've been on. We started with our simple gut feeling of time as a movie, playing out frame by frame. Then Einstein's relativity came along and suggested the universe is a frozen block, which made free will look pretty shaky. But then quantum mechanics offered a compromise, the growing block, where the past is real, but the future is still ours to make. So which one is it? What is time really? Is it a frozen landscape where everything is already laid out? Is it a story that's being written moment by moment? Or is it something even stranger, maybe just an illusion created by our own consciousness? The honest answer is nobody knows for sure. It's still one of the deepest and most profound mysteries we're trying to solve.